In today's video, let's get started from the number 21, that is zebrafish. Scientific name of zebrafish is Danio. It is a popular aquarium fish and is widely used as model organism in scientific research. It is found in regions like India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Burma and Pakistan. The lifespan is usually 5.5 years and shows signs of aging over time. Number 23. Sandstein Bass. Scientific name of sandstein bass is Lithognathes marminus. It's found in shallow water in the Mediterranean Sea in the eastern Atlantic Ocean from France to South Africa. The lifespan of sandstein bass fish is not known yet. Number 23. Nile tilapia. Scientific name of Nile tilapia is Oreochromis niloticus. It is found in Lake Victoria. It is also called as mango tilapia. Its red hybrid is taken as Pilathaptin in Thai. It means it's a pomegranate fish or ruby fish. Its lifespan is usually for 9 years. Number 24. European eel. Scientific name of European eel is Anguilla anguilla. It is eaten by humans as a rich source of food and its species are being extinct and live for about 60 years. Number 25. Neon tetra. Scientific name of neon tetra is Paracheodonianesi. It is seen in some of the countries like Peru and Brazil. It is an aquarium fish and lives for about 5 years. Number 26. Tequila splitfin. Scientific name of Tequila splitfin is Zoogonoticus tequila. These fish are critically endangered and current estimated number is fewer than 500. Number 27. Adriatic sturgeon. Scientific name of Adriatic sturgeon is Accipenser neckeri. These fish are found in fresh waters of northern part of Italy and eastern coasts of the Adriatic Sea. Number 28. Red handfish. Scientific name of red handfish is Thymetius polytus. It is found in the coastal waters of eastern Tasmania. Number 29. Ornate sleeper ray. Scientific name of ornate sleeper ray is Electrolux edisoni. Size of range is lesser than 10 square kilometer. And number 30 is small-toothed sawfish. Scientific name of small-toothed sawfish is Pristis pectinata. These are critically endangered. These are found in Bahamas, Belize, Cuba, Honduras, USA and Sierra Leone. Number 31 is Devil's Hole pupfish. Scientific name of Devil's Hole pupfish is Cyprinodon diabolis. It is found in Devil's Hollow, Ash Meadows, Death Valley National Park, Nevada, USA. 32. Pufferfish. Scientific name of pufferfish is Tetra odontorae. Pufferfish is also known as swellfish or blowfish. The largest puffers grow about 3 feet long, but most are considerably smaller. Puffers are found in warm and temperate regions around the world. Number 33. Redline fish. Scientific name of redline fish is Redline torpedo barb. They are noted for their venomous fin spines, which are capable of producing painful, though rarely fatal, puncture wounds. Number 34. Moray eel. Scientific name of moray eel is Murian id. There are probably more than 80 species of moray eels and they occur in all tropical and subtropical seas, where they live in shallow waters, among reefs and rocks, and hide in crevices. Number 35. Stonefish. Scientific name of stonefish is Cynamcia verrucosa. These are very dangerous. They are found in shallow waters of the tropical Indo-Pacific. Number 36. Atlantic manta. Scientific name of Atlantic manta is Manta birostris. Their smallest species grow no more than 2 feet, but the largest of the family may grow to more than 7 meters. 37. Candiru. Scientific name of candiru is Vendilla cirrhosa. It is found in the Amazon River region. It is translucent and eel-like and it grows to a length of about 2.5 cm. Number 38. Great white shark. Scientific name of great white shark is Carcharodon carcharios. Maybe the fish that needs no introduction because it is one of the most powerful and potentially dangerous predatory sharks in the world. Number 39. Tigerfish. Scientific name of tigerfish is Hydrocinus vittatus. Tigerfishes are so named on the basis of their pugnacity when caught, their fiercely predaceous habits, or their appearance. There are about 5 species of tigerfish. The largest may be more than 6 feet long and may weigh more than 57 kgs. Number 40. Flathead grey mullet. Scientific name of flathead grey mullet is Smogil cephalus. Flathead grey mullet is found in the Red Sea and Lake Avonga. It's found in coastal tropical and subtropical waters worldwide, and the lifespan is about 11 to